Hello everybody, my name is Stephanie Johns and I'm with Realty Partners, and I'm here to talk to you today about building a team or being a part of a team. And I use these principles whether you are a part-time real estate agent just new to the industry, or whether you're a seasoned professional. Maybe these tips can help you out. By building a team, I follow a simple principle called SAM: support, accountability, and motivation. So with support inside of your team, whether it's an individual or working with a real estate firm that has teams that you can be a part of, it helps save time. And with support with other team members, whether you're going on vacation or whether you are just part-time and have to pick up the kids from school and you have another business partner that you can rely on, these are ways to divide up your time and really have a unique network so you have an even keel, so you don't have peaks and valleys inside of your real estate business. You always have that back office support. And also having a real estate team, it means that you bring to the table for your buyers and sellers that level of expertise with the number of years. So if you have a question about laws or contracts or just a simple negotiation, technique that you need, these are all valuable things that you can have either with inside of your firm or building up your own team for support. Then accountability actually comes part of motivation as well. By being a part of a team, you're accountable for setting not only your individual goals, but also your team member goals. And it kind of puts you on the spot that if you're not delivering on an individual level or a team level on a weekly basis, it can really let the team down, not only financially, but also bring down the motivation. So it kind of goes hand in hand. And so if you hold accountability for each one of your team members, it leads to more motivation. So if your team members are texting you, are you coming into the office today? That's accountability, because they're relying on you, not only for your energy, but also to motivate them. And also setting a plan to be a part of something. When you work together as a team, not only does it lead to more positive energy building, but it can also lead to motivation and you get all those good revenues. So hope you enjoyed my tips for the day, and good luck.